Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your CAT S75. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax, so we can launch it now. Allow permissions to the camera and to the files, and now to choose the document, click on the plus and select the source. I'm gonna pick something in my gallery, like this one. Of course you can pick more than one picture. If you're ready, click import. And now you can add this shape to your document and click arrow. Then choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver, and you can add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept icon, choose the country from the list, select the number. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it, click on the send icon, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.